I go leave everything and settle down in Mumbai and try for my hip hop culture over there in Hindi and pursue that. Even I stayed in Mumbai. I'll tell you a story.
Yeah.
Parents were not supporting, like, what the hell are you doing, man? Recording stuff like that. So what happened was, after this came, a cycle of cyphers started.
Alright.
Delhi cypher, Mumbai cypher, Chennai cypher, South cypher, North cyphers. In the North cypher, there was a team called Desi Bean.
Okay.
Many of my friends are from there, like Notatune, Navdeep Singh, Mojo, like Gagandeep Singh, one of the name. He's still there, making big. Sikandar Kalon, a Sikh rapper from Mohali.
Okay.
So he's signed with a big label or something like that. So like these people came from that Orkut community called Insignia.
Okay.
So once Orkut died, everyone got separated and they started their own individual works, own individual albums, own like individual songs like that. So after that came the Hindi portion part, because English hip hop was slowly dying and only few people kept it uprising. So what they did was, people who were rapping in English suddenly started writing Hindi rhymes, and they were writing epic Hindi rhymes. And what happened then, the Hindi rhymes that they were doing, they got attention of the big music industries in the Bollywood as well as Hollywood. One of my best friend, MC Heen, just sang a song in this Avenger Endgame with A.R. Rahman.
Really?
He signed with the Avengers A.R. Rahman team.
Fantastic.
Yes.
Fantastic.
One more movie came of that, I don't remember the name of that movie, on that surgical strike that came.
Uri?
Yeah, Uri was that name, right?
Yeah.
In that movie also, my friend DMC dropped a epic song at the end of that movie.
Alright.
Hindi rap that
Hindi
was.
rap.
Yeah, that was also epic. So people are making moves now into Hindi Bollywood industry, because at point of time you get to realize that you have to support your family as well, right? And few things are taken into consideration. Whether I go leave everything and settle down in Mumbai and try for my hip hop culture over there in Hindi and pursue that. Even I stayed in Mumbai. I'll tell you a story.
Yeah.
I stayed in Mumbai for 6 months. I learned sound engineering from one of my cousin who is working with Anurag Kashyap in the big movies.
Oh.
I met Anurag Kashyap as well. So his studio's name is Rocket Pro Studios. So what he told me that you should learn sound design because you're better in that. So I was trying to pursue my career in music only, because I was so passionate. I used to do the shit whole thing.
And when was it? What time was it? Which year?
The year was 2009 maybe,
Okay.
when I went there.
You were like 19?
Yes, so
Yeah.
18, 19 maybe.
You
Just after my
managed-
12th standard I went there.
Really?
Yep.
Okay.
I learned sound design. Once I learned it, I bought FL Studios, I downloaded few softwares, and I opened up my own studios, which is still there in Delhi as well as my home. I met Sajil Kapoor. The first song of Gully Boy movie, Meri Gali Mein, Gali 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 Mein, the music is given by Sajil Kapoor. His stage name is Sez. One of my best friend. He's making a lot of money, a lot of he's dope actually.
Shout out to our boy Sajil Kapoor.
Sajil Kapoor, yes man. That is,
Shout out.
you must invite him here with his whole crew, and he's traveling the whole world, like shattering all the shows, and he's taking all alone.
Fantastic. Yeah.
Yes.
I love that movie. I love
Yep.
each song of that movie. You know,
That-
whether it was
yes.
Kaam Bari, whether it was Gully Boy, whether it was any background music that was playing with it. I love each
Yes.
aspect of the music. So it was a fantastic revelation
Correct.
for me in Hindi music.
Yes.
Personally.
And suppose if that movie had all the English rap song, nobody would have enjoyed that much.
I don't think so.
Right.
Yeah, that's true.
That's
Yeah,
true,
that's
right? So what happened, again, I'll take you back into the years, and we'll tell you a little bit history about it, then we'll continue that.
Sure. Yeah.
So people get to know that my earning is not going to get better and better if I stick to English rap, or even I go to pursue my music. So because you have to leave each and everything, like your family, you have to do sacrifices, you have to settle over there, and then you have to decide what path you are going to get. So what I was telling you about my friend MC Heen. So what he did was he left. He was from Delhi only. He used to stay with me. He left Delhi. He left his parents, and now he's signed with A.R. Rahman after 8 years. So, and what happened in my case, my dad was like, he was like a little bit strict, like every dad is in India, especially. No, you have to do that thing only because. So I followed his path. and right now I'm working in an MNC.
Oh,
You know?
good for you.
Yeah.